Hi everyone, I've not done an educational video for a while, so here we are, especially because I feel there is something important to let you know and I hope will help keep you informed and trade more safely. As you know, I'm doing trading robot reviews mostly on the most popular ones currently dominating the Metatrader charts, and I've noticed a new breed of trading robots dominating the top ranks due to their perfect looking backtest results and high win percentages. But people are most probably not understanding the risks. In this video, we're going to take a look at these trading robots. People have always been attracted to the beautiful looking backtest charts that mostly form the basis of a sale. However, most of the ones with the most stable and impressive ones have been martingale and or grid systems. These all work up to a point when it doesn't and takes out your whole account. A lot of the backtests for the grid martingale systems will be the one you see on the left, 700% return in 4 months. And if you saw that, I'm sure most people would agree that that is a great looking chart and looks stable. The price you pay for this is that on the right, losing all of the profits and the initial deposit, and it happens so quickly, losing everything in a day or two. Unfortunately, this is how most grid martingale systems work. People who have been using trading robots for a while most probably understand what the characteristics of grid martingale systems are because they've experienced the money loss and pain in using them, myself included, and in the Metatrader marketplace, these have been classified as dangerous trading systems. However, there is a new breed of trading robots which are currently dominating the top of the Metatrader charts. These also have beautiful looking equity growth charts and really high trade win percentages, and no one has called them out yet. I believe they are also just as dangerous as the grid martingale systems. The common characteristic that they all share is that they have small take profit targets and huge relative stop losses. And here are some examples of the backtests with these systems, all very impressive. So, what is the issue with these type of trading systems? Number 1, the skew probability. Backtests showing over 90% winning trades is a natural byproduct of having small take profits and large stops. If I make a series of random trades where my take profit is 10 pips and my stop is 100, it's a low probability that I'm going to hit my 10 pips target on average 10 times more than hitting my stop. Already I've got a system that is 90% winning. What a great statistic to boast about. However, what a lot of people fail to know is that 10% of the losing trades are 10 times larger than the win. Ouch. Number 2, if you have a trade that's gone in the wrong direction, it could be a while before it hits the stop or take profit. The bigger the stop, the bigger in limbo this trade will be. This means you'll be paying swaps. This is like interest payments for managing the position, and the open trade ties up capital. This information doesn't pop up in the backtests. And if a trade does hit the stop, using our example of 10 pip target and 100 pip stops, it will take you 10 times as many winning trades just to get you back to where you were before that bad trade. In some cases, this could take months or never at all. So can these trading systems make money? Like grid martingale systems is all good until you experience a loss. With these type of trading robots, the loss to the account may not be as severe as that of a grid martingale, but once you've experienced your first loss, would you continue trading with this robot knowing it's going to take perhaps 10 times, 20 times, or even 30 times the number of winning trades just to get you back to where you were before the loss occurred? Sometimes this is going to take you months. Even if you haven't yet had that first loss, by sitting on a trading drawdown, because of the large stop loss, it could take ages before the trade comes to a conclusion. Meanwhile, you're paying swaps and tying up your capital. This is exhausting. This type of trading robot gives your trading psychology a beating. So I looked through some of the popular trading robots currently on the Metatrader marketplace, and I found quite a few of them which are like this. The ever popular reindeer scalper has a stop that is 5 times larger than the take profit. This is one of the better ones. Redshift and Blueshift, which are both by the same author, have 10 times larger stop losses. Euromaster and Turtle Scalper Pro have stop losses which are 30 times larger than the take profit. Then you have Magic 7, which is 32 times larger, and London Pride, which is 28 times larger. The largest one I've found so far is Bazava, with a stop that is 50 times larger than the take profit. Wow, that's crazy. Let me know in the comments box if you know of others like this. So why are authors pushing these type of trading robots? Selling trading robots is big business. Look at these numbers. You can see the number of trading robots sold per month on the Metatrader marketplace. Redshift has sold 133 copies this month. If you take $448 for each, that's almost $60,000. Reindeer Scalper Pro, which has been at the top of the charts, has sold 155 at $549 each. That's $85,000. Then Blueshift, by the same author as Redshift, he sold 77 copies of the trading robot at $399 each. That's $30,000. And these numbers are just for the MT4 version. If they have an MT5 version, they've probably done the same equivalent number of them. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more support with your trading, join us at our subscription site at www.patreon.com/Mr. Alan Forex. See you next time.